Good morning, guys. Wanted to give you a quick tip this morning. I already finished 3 of them, and yes, it's early, and that's fine. Remember, I have battery powered equipment. That's why I can do that. But just want to give you a quick tip. Finished 3 over there, and then I'm about to start on these 2. Guys, the only way to make money mowing lawns is if you are consolidating your property. Okay? That's the way you have to do. You have to consolidate your properties. How can you do that? The moment you start working on this and you finish, take your card and just drop it by the door. Bam, on that one, on that one, on that one, and that one. It doesn't matter if they're already doing their lawn. It doesn't matter if they already have somebody. Drop their card on their doorstep. All right? Don't knock on the door. Don't talk to anybody. Just drop your card every time you come out. And your business name will be ingrained in their mind. So anytime they need service, let's say they're going on vacation or, decide it's too hot, they don't feel like doing it, they will call you. See what I mean? That's the way you do it, guys. Keep in mind, everybody buys Coca-Cola, but guess what? You see a whole lot of Coca-Cola commercials, right? Why? Because they want to ingrain their products in your mind, okay? Think about it. Hey, man, have a great one, okay? I hope this helps. Let me get to work.